guys, I'm here to demonstrate how to make hot coffee. Material and tools is coffee, sugar, hot water, tablespoon, and glass. Okay, first take two tablespoon of sugar in the glass. Second, pour coffee in the glass. Third, pour hot coffee in the glass. Then is stir well. Finally, hot coffee is ready to drink. It's really delicious. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.